What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use the tour section into your WPBakery WordPress page builder to create sections on your site that helps like a tour, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. I'm gonna start this guide assuming that you already have WPBakery plugin installed on your site. In the case you don't know how to install plugins, let me know in the comments so I can guide you, okay? And after this, go to page. You can go to a previously made page on all pages or go to add new into the left sidebar of menus. You're gonna be able to see this editor. Click on WPBakery Page Builder into the top section of my page. Right here, you're gonna be able to set a title to your page. When you can see edit page, you can add a title right here. Then you're gonna be able to see select layout and start building. If you choose blank page, the page gonna have no footer or header, no logo type. It's good for landing page or WordPress theme that gonna load the WordPress header and footer. Click on add element. Then into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a search field. Click and type tour. Just like this. Here is the element that I'm looking for. Click on it. Now I'm gonna apply some content so you can test and check. First gonna be a text block. If I click on section 2, I'm gonna be able to click into this plus button to add another element. I'm gonna add another text block. I'm gonna clone this text block. And if I click into this plus button, I'm gonna be able to create a new section. That if I hover my mouse over this pencil yellow icon, I can change the title of the section, for example, to section 3. And I can even apply an icon in the case that I want. For example, let me enable the icon. Click on icon tab. Before title or after title, I can choose the icon fonts. And if you click into this little arrow, you're gonna be able to choose the icon, just like this. And now I can click into this plus button and apply another piece of content. I'm adding text blocks, but you can add images, you can add videos, you can add everything that you want. Let me preview the page so you guys can see. And here we have 3 tour sections, okay? Nice, right? But we can customize this. First thing, let me remove the icon from the third option to leave all without icons. And if I hover my mouse over this blue edit icon right here, this pencil icon, I can change inactive color, I can change styles, I can change shapes, I can change active color. The title tag can be customized, the alignment can be customized, the position, the spacing, gap, width. You can make it autoplay. I can make it open the active section to be the one. I can apply some pagination in the case that I want. And I can even change the sizings, for example, border, paddings, background color, background image. Let me show you the results we got. Nice, right? What else you can do? Let me just publish this page to keep it saved. And let's click on front end editor. That is another way to edit your page. It's almost like Elementor, okay? You can see the results immediately. For example, if I go to the tour, change the style for modern and save, I can see the change immediately. Nice, right? I can change, for example, the color. I can change the position and see the results immediately. I can change the alignment and see the results immediately. and everything that you want. For example, apply a title to the widget, just like this. I can change the size of the title. After doing the change according to your needs, you're always gonna be able to hit the update button into the upper right corner of your screen to save your page. Now imagine that I would like to apply a video into the section 1. So click on section 1, hover your mouse over this until you see the plus button, click on the plus button, search for video element, and here is the result. We have a video. You can apply a video from YouTube or Vimeo, okay? Or even self-host the video. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.